Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video we'll be doing unboxing and review of a very different kind of living style product. So this thing is a Harman Kardon Aura Studio 3 Bluetooth speaker. So before you ask that question, no, this is not a portable device. So this is something similar to a Marshall speaker. Let's say you must have seen some of the Marshall models, right? Marshall Act 2 or Stand Mode 2, which are standalone speakers which run on mains power, but they do have Bluetooth, and some devices have Wi-Fi like Sonos and Bose. So I got this as a corporate gift. So this costs around 26,999, and if there are offers that you can run, you might get it for at least like 2,500 rupees less. So this is a pretty old model. Okay, this was launched around like 2019-20 at that time, and this is a very different style of product. So this has 360 degrees surround sound. It has a 100-watt subwoofer, so that's interesting. It has 2 15-watt tweeters, and they are channeled all around. The speakers are channeled all around, so you get the 360-watt sound. And it also has an ambient light, so that it looks cool, you know. It looks as a decorative art also. So this is the box that it comes in, and it has only Bluetooth, so nothing else, no Chromecast, no Wi-Fi support, anything. And this thing has some heft to it. It must weigh at least like 3.5 to 4 kgs. Okay, so let's unboxing this one. It is standard box. Yeah, so this thing comes up, this thing opens up. Good. There's recycled paper here, cardboard paper here. Good, they didn't throw the thermocol that goes up as e-waste. And this is very weird to fold. Okay, so let it put it aside. Here some power cord and a quick start guide and big large manual. That's it in the box. So let's throw this thing aside. Okay, yeah, so let's unbox this one. Yeah, it has some styrofoam packing. Okay, printed in China. Okay, still Chinese products in 2022. Harman Kardon, what you're doing, manufactured in India. So yeah, so this is how it looks. So it looks sort of very nice. I mean, it has some that nice feel, you know. I mean, you put it in the room, it has some special feel to it. Okay, so if you look at the design, there is some wave ripple kind of effects within the speaker. It has some, is it a glass dome? I think it's a fiber mat. It's a fiber. It's not glass. This is plastic. And yeah, there's not many buttons. So there is an aux port here, and there is a power port here. If you can look at here. Oh yeah. So the power button and aux port, and you have plus or minus for volume. We have one button for lights. I think these are touch sensitive buttons. I think these are touch sensitive buttons, and you have one power button. Even that feels touch sensitive button, and you have this good fabric mesh, okay, with the Harman Kardon logo. I mean, apart from the speaker, you know, this thing looks very good. I mean, just look at it. Imagine if you have this in your living room, placed on a small table or so. I mean, this looks stunning, right? I mean, this has sort of little light blackened glass, and I mean, the feel looks great. I mean, Harman, you guys did an excellent job in designing this product. For the question, the subwoofer is at the bottom. I think you will have to be a little careful when you're handling this speaker. Just look at this. Okay, so that's the subwoofer. This thing must throw some really good bass. Okay, so yeah, just put it right here. So apart from this, you know, there is no any app based control for the speaker. You know, this is just like plain old simple system. You connect the speaker through Bluetooth, you play the song. That's it. they must have given some app control at least to sort of operate these lighting effects and all. So unfortunately they're all button control on the speaker itself. I mean, a lot of Marshall has it, Bose has it. I think this thing is priced on the level with Bose. The quick start guides, there's nothing. There's a small quick start guide here, guys. So there are like lighting, volume plus minus, Bluetooth pairing, lighting on, lighting off. It has Bluetooth 4.2. Too bad. So it has like 6 transducers which support mid to high range, and a 130 mm 100 watt subwoofer and 215 watt tweeters, I guess. So that's tweeters. That's it. Apart from that, no other feature, and it weighs 3.6 kgs. Okay, now let's get to the sound. I had to put up an extension box. The cord is really small. I wish they have given a little longer cord. So that's it. I mean, they must have given a longer cord, right? I mean, put it in the middle of the room. How do you think people are going to use this? So let us plug it in. Let me grab my phone. Okay, switch it on. Wow, and the initial sound itself, I can feel that thump. A good thing the buttons are at least touch sensitive. So let us play some royalty free music.
Flashing lights dance with fire in the night. I'm wired. Watch the time pass us by. Is this feeling lying? Could you pass the lighter? Yeah, I'm trying to keep my cool. Nicotine in my veins, flaming up the sides. What am I supposed to do? Cause it feels so good. Feeling wild like a zoo. Put me in the mood. Put me in the mood. Should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trick giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Maybe I should've known that it ain't real. How'd you know how to get into my feelings? You're a trick giving me hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution. Hopeless solution.
I hope that gave you an idea how this thing sounds. I mean, the bass is like, it's literally shaking this table. I mean, if we have a very weak furniture, this thing will break it down in a couple of days. You know, that's how loud it sounds. So compared to the Marshall and Bose, so this sound is a little on a cooler side. I mean, so Bose and Marshall, you know, they more emphasize on the voice, and the vocals are much more brighter, the instruments are much more clear, much more separated. So that thing you don't feel in this one, but this is good for like EDM, pop, hip hop and pop style of music. But if you're someone who likes rock music and the other genres like classical music, so this will not work for you. I mean, you should look at other options like the Marshall speaker, the Bose speaker, and not even JBLs. You know, JBLs and these ones are, the sound signature is similar. So the vocals are not that pronounced as in Marshall, but I mean, the sound is really great. I don't know if the microphone has done enough justice for how it sounds in reality, but you put it in the middle of the room, these things sound amazing. So that's it. This is a review for this one. I mean, this is a very simple speaker. The only novelty is the way how it looks. So I'll add a small clip of how it looks at the night at the end of this video. Hope that will help you make your purchase decision. So thank you for watching. Meet you guys in the next video. Like a storm.